एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब? काफ़ी टाइम से मैं यूट्यूब पे एक्टिव भी नहीं हूँ एंड आई वांटेड टू टॉक टू यू गाइस अबाउट वन बिग अनाउंसमेंट दैट वी हैव मेड। सो काफ़ी टाइम से हमारे पास काफ़ी सारे बच्चे हैं जो कि ये बोल रहे हैं कि हमें डीएसए करनी है रोज़-रोज़, हमें कंपेटिटिव कोडिंग की प्रैक्टिस करते रहना है, हमें उसके टच में रहना है, बट हमारा जो कोर्स है उसके अंदर पहले हमने डीएसए करा ली, देन फ्रंट एंड अब खत्म हुआ है और अब कुछ टाइम के बाद बैक एंड शुरू होने वाला है। तो काफ़ी टाइम से डेवलपमेंट चल रहा है और अब डेवलपमेंट ही चलने वाला है। तो देयर वाज़ वन बिग प्रॉब्लम दैट पीपल who want to do a lot of coding were facing. So that was key. They're not in touch with competitive coding. We do not have a platform on our community right now. So हमने उसके ऊपर काफ़ी टाइम से काम कर रहे थे and we wanted to make sure we have a good solution for this. So now we are introducing the DSA club for this thing. So the whole thing is कि हमने बहुत टाइम से इसे इम्प्लीमेंट इसलिए नहीं करा था क्योंकि हमें लग रहा था कि एक ऐसा सोल्यूशन बनाना विच इज़ नॉट अ वेरी लाउजी सोल्यूशन एज इन मैं आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन दे देता हूँ रोज के रोज आपको कहता हूँ कि आपको करने हैं तो आप कर लो, नहीं करने तो ना करो, तो आप कुछ टाइम तक करोगे बट आफ्टर दैट यू विल फाइंड सम रीजंस व्हाई यू कैन नॉट स्टे कंसिस्टेंट एंड आफ्टर दैट द होल सिस्टम कम्स टू अ हॉल्ट, राइट? कुछ दिन तक करते हो, देन अगर 2-3 दिन आप नहीं कर पाते हो तो एकदम से वो chain break ho jati hai and then you're not in a mood of it. So we want to solve that. We want to have consistency and some checks to make sure that you guys are doing and you are moving on the right path. So problem with consistency is कि अगर हम लोगों को कमिटमेंट के लिए बोलते हैं कि आप 1 महीने 2 महीने की कमिटमेंट दो, डीएसए क्लब ज्वाइन किया है तो अगले 2 महीने तक हम ये कोर्स चलाएंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, उसमें ये प्रॉब्लम रहती है कि जो लोग शुरू में ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं उनके लिए तो वेल एंड गुड. Hopefully they are able to maintain that consistency, which is kind of hard for 2 week or 2 months or more than that. But those people who are joining in the middle, they feel left out. They feel कि ये सिस्टम बहुत पहले से चल रहा है एंड हम बीच में ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, जो पहले हो चुका है वो हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा है, जो बाद में होने वाला है उसके लिए बहुत सारा बैकलॉग है जिसको कवर करना पड़ेगा. तो उसको चेंज करने के लिए what we have thought about is कि we will have 1 week sprints. So 1 week sprints is basically you have to commit for just 1 week. And after that, in the next week, you can choose if you want to opt out for that week or you want to stay active in that week. So every week, on every Wednesday, we pick up some topics. Like for this week, what we have picked up is Python basics and arrays and trees and graphs. So trees and graphs are fairly advanced topics. Those people who have already done things can actually get into trees and graphs directly. But those people who do not know the basics will go into the Python basics or any other language that you want to pick up, any language that you're comfortable in. And maybe you can start with the arrays part if you know some language and you just want to get into DSA from now on. So why we did it is because usually what happens in a course is that it goes in a steady pace and it expects everyone to be on a similar level when they are starting in the work. तो उसमें होता क्या है कि जो लोग पहले से कुछ कुछ करके जान के बैठे होते हैं, they are not able to like stick to the plan because वो लोग बहुत बोर हो रहे होते हैं शुरू में. एंड जो लोग अगर हम उन लोगों को अकोमोडेट करने के लिए स्पीड से कोर्स चलाने की कोशिश करें कि हम थोड़े अच्छे पार्ट पे जल्दी पहुंचते हैं, तो जो लोग बेसिक्स से काम करना चाह रहे हैं they miss on quite a lot of things and उनको लगता है कि बहुत तेज जा रहे हैं. तो just to make sure कि everybody feels कि they are growing and they have ample amount of opportunity to learn and upskill, what we have done is कि every week we'll give up 4 topics and you can pick up according to where you are right now which topic you want to work on, right? So for this week I just thought अभी जैसे मैंने बताया आपको, for this week it was Python basics, arrays, trees, and graphs. For the next week, we'll have something else, maybe heaps, hashing, binary search, and maybe 2D arrays, matrices, and all, something like this. So the whole plan is that everybody feels at home, feels at comfort that, okay, I know this much and I wanted to start with this topic. You have that topic. What you need is 1 week of commitment. You come here, you start for 1 week, and then maybe you can hop out for the next week if you have some events or if you have some exams going on. And then from the next week on, you can come up. So if you've not joined our Discord server, the link is in the description. You can join that, and you should see around 10 o'clock, around 150 to 200 students sit together at one time for the next 90 minutes practicing upon DSA concepts. And you should see that. It's something that I wish I could have seen when I was preparing for my DSA part, and this is something really good. A lot of positive feedback we are getting for what we are doing. If you have any suggestions, any questions, anything, you can write in the comments, or you can find me usually in any voice channel late night in the Discord community. So do join that. If you have any issues, just let me know. I will be there for you. Thank you. Bye bye.